Hey guys, welcome to another video of BIMmatics. As you have seen the title of video, a Revit Structural Model from Scratch. Actually, this is a series of videos. In this particular video, we will cover part 1 only, in which first topic will be project setup, second topic will be creating column. In another part 2, we will be creating foundation and creating beams. And again in part 3 you will see how to create slabs and also creating staircase. As a summary of all these 3 different parts, a person will be easily able to create a Revit structural model. So don't miss any of these 3 videos. Don't forget to subscribe to channel and do share with your BIM enthusiast. Let's begin. Topic 1. Project setup. In this video, we will first set up a project file. So for that, we will continue making a new file. Just click on new, select your template, press OK. As a project file opens up, the first step you will do is to set a project unit. So for that, just press UL. It's a shortcut for project units. Here in discipline, so I'll be taking this common unit for all disciplines. So for units, for length, you have unit millimeters. You can change it into decimiliters, inches, centimeter, and etc. Also you have rounding options. Here 0 decimal places. If you have a number 1.6, then it will show 1.6. For that you will have to select 1 decimal accordingly. Now similarly for area, you have units as square meter, square millimeters, acres, hectares, etc. Similarly for volume, angle, select unit of your choice and press OK. Now after applying all units, I'll be creating levels. For levels, in elevation, I'll be going east elevation. Double click on east. These are 2 default levels. I'll be creating new level, level 3. First of all, I will rename it as a plinth level. Now my another level will be first floor. Now first floor will be at 2900. You can change it as per your reference. Now another level, that is second floor, and it is at height 5.8 meter. That is level 4. Level 5 and level 6. Now all levels are set. Now after applying levels, I will be inserting AutoCAD plans at different levels. This is a plinth level floor plan. So to insert AutoCAD plan, we will go to insert, select import CAD option, go to your file location, select the AutoCAD file, select unit as we are using millimeter here, and click on open. You will see your AutoCAD file is imported over here. Please check the unit of AutoCAD file. The unit should be same as we had chosen in Revit. Now after importing your CAD plan, you can make grids. So grid is available in structure tab. You select grid, select a point from center of wall. This is grid 1. Similarly, I'll copy this grid from center of wall to another wall. Center, just click on tab,
As this is 3, we will change it to 2. We will change it anytime. So this is our X direction grid. We will create a Y direction grids. So for that, just select a center and another point. As it is vertical, I will change its name to A. Similarly, I will copy this grid from its center of footing to another center of footing, that is our pile cap. As center is not visible, just click on tab. So this is our grid. We have created different levels, different grids, and imported our CAD plan of plinth level. Topic 2: Creating column. Before applying column, you have to be clear different size of column. So from here, you can measure size of column. Here 300 by 230. And another column we have 350 by 230. So now we are providing column. Go to structure tab. In structure tab, we have column option. Just click on column. Select vertical column from here. And here we have option of depth and height as well. So depth means our column will be created lower of this level, and height means we can create column above from this level. So I'll select height. Now view height of column. Suppose give it 3 meter. Now select point. I'll click on this point. Now our column is created at this point. Here we have 300 by 450 column. So to create 300 by 230 column, just click on edit type, click on duplicate, rename it 300 by 230, press OK. Now change the size, like 230. Now we change width and height. Click on OK. Yeah, it's matching our plan size. Apply it to your CAD plan. As you know, it's not properly matched to your CAD plan. So for that, select your column and modify tab. You will find align option. Just click on align option. Select the line which you want to match the column and then select columns. Now you will see that your column is matched. Now this column is created. Now to see this column, select consistent color, select fine. It will show clear column. Now we see from 3D view. Here you will find this column is below our floor plan. Now you will see here in properties tab, our base offset is set -2500. This means our column will be below link level. So we will have to decide our top level of our column, that is first floor, and after that we have to change base offset to 0. This is the correct level. Now go to floor plan. As we have seen column. Now we will copy paste it from this location to another column position where we have same 230 by 300 column. So I will select this point. We have here same size column here also, and in this corner another corner. Now this middle column is of different size. For that we will just copy paste our previous column. 350 by 230 column is required over here. So for that, just click on this column, click on edit type, click on duplicate, rename it to 350 by 230, press OK, change the dimension to 350 and press OK. Now size of column is changed, but it is not at proper location. Just align it from this line to side of column, lock it in place. Now I will copy this column from its one corner to this another location, similarly for another. So this is how columns are placed. Now in 3D view, you'll see we have our column from plinth level to first floor. We will go to elevation view. We have our column from plinth level to first floor. So in this video, we had created columns. In another video, we will be learning to provide foundation below this column.